Time now is 8:44. So, Sarah, lots of people will be looking at the weather forecast, listening to you this morning, thinking, is the storm going to be as bad as we thought? What's the indications today?
Yes, well, good morning to you. We have got this storm on the way, Storm Amy, our first named storm of the season, and it's been developing for a few days. It's got the remnants of an ex-hurricane in it, so that means it's got enough moisture and energy to produce some pretty disruptive weather. It'll mainly be the northern half of the UK that's going to see the worst conditions, so we've got amber warnings for some damaging winds later on today through this evening and tonight into Saturday morning as well, particularly across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland too. But even away from these areas, it is going to be wet, it is going to be windy for all of us. Here's the satellite picture. It shows the storm that's been developing here. So we have got the remnants of that ex-hurricane mixed within it. So it's quite warm out there with all that tropical air, but it is also going to be windy and wet as well. To start the morning, we have got some quieter weather. This is the picture out there just an hour or so ago in North Tyneside. But the cloud is going to be pushing its way in from the southwest. We've already got showery rain across parts of eastern England. That's the first frontal system, which will clear away. But this area of blue and green working in from the Atlantic, this is the rain associated with Storm Amy. So turning particularly wet for a time across Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland, northwest England and North Wales too. And the rain falling on saturated ground in places, so we could well see some flooding issues. And of course, it is the winds that are going to be the main feature. So across Northern Ireland, we've got that amber warning. It comes into force at 3 o'clock this afternoon, runs until 8 p.m. Inland gusts of 60 miles per hour, but closer to that north coast, 80 miles an hour. And it's later on that we see the winds picking up across northern and western Scotland, and overnight winds could gust in excess of 95 miles an hour. So winds like that enough to cause some significant travel disruption. Power cuts are likely as well, could be trees down. As the centre of that low pressure pushes up towards the Northern Isles, a real squeeze in the isobars just to the south of that. So overnight, very windy conditions, particularly across Scotland, where we've also got heavy showers rolling in. And then heavy rain clears away from the southeast through the early hours of Saturday. So tomorrow's weather then, it'll be a day of sunshine and showers, frequent showers in the north and the west, blown in by those very strong winds across parts of Scotland in particular. But it is going to be blustery really wherever you are. So 50, 60 mile per hour gusts pretty widely, over 70 miles an hour across parts of Scotland. So the winds are really not going to be easing in a hurry tomorrow, although it won't be quite as windy, I think, as it will be overnight. Temperature's only about 12 to 15, so it's feeling much colder, particularly when you add on the strength of the wind. It does look like Storm Amy will gradually clear out into the North Sea, heading towards Scandinavia as we move through Sunday. So Sunday looks the quieter day of the weekend. Some sunshine around, especially in the south and the east. It will cloud over, there'll be some showers, and the breeze will be noticeable still, but not as windy as the next 24 hours. So the weather eventually quieting down by the time we get to Sunday, but the next couple of days expect some significant disruption down to the effect of Storm Amy. Back to you both.
Well, it's a happy day for you, Sarah, because I think you got to use every one of your symbols, didn't you? What was missing, like earthquake or something was missing, wasn't it? But I think everything else.
Yeah. Yes, it's 4 seasons. It's a proper smorgasbord, I think, of weather for you.
Good word.
It's not all good.
Do you have an earthquake symbol?
That's not really weather, is it?
It's not weather, is it? No, good point. Good point.
Never mind.
Sarah,
we'll see you in half an hour.
Thank you.